Welcome to Kanion Co, where innovation meets comfort. For over a decade, we have been at the forefront of the air conditioning industry, revolutionizing the way people experience cool and comfortable environments. Step inside our state-of-the-art production facility, where precision and quality come together. Our dedicated team of skilled technicians and engineers work tirelessly to ensure every Kanion Co air conditioning unit meets the highest standards. Marvel at the intricate assembly process, where advanced technologies and expert craftsmanship merge seamlessly. Witness the meticulous testing procedures that guarantee optimal performance and durability. Discover our commitment to sustainability as we showcase our eco-friendly production practices. From energy-efficient designs to responsible waste management, Kanion Co is dedicated to reducing our environmental footprint. Introducing the Kanion Co series, a collection of cutting-edge air conditioning systems designed to elevate your comfort and enhance your lifestyle. Explore our 4 series residential air conditioners, tailored to meet the unique needs of homeowners. Deluxe Series, Rex Series, Premium Series, Aeolus Series, from whisper quiet operation to smart home compatibility, Kanion Co delivers personalized cooling solutions for every living space. But don't just take our word for it. We prioritize our relationship with our customers, ensuring their satisfaction every step of the way. Hear from a business owner who has partnered with Kanion Co as they express their gratitude for our reliable products and dedicated support. Learn how our solutions have helped them create a comfortable and productive environment for their employees and clients. Kanion Co, your trusted partner in air conditioning excellence. Experience the future of comfort with us.